Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the water hardness in Whirlpool Dishwasher WS. So in the first step we have to turn on the device, in the second step we have to turn off the device, and now hold the P button for 6 seconds. Now we heard the beep, so turn on your device again, and as you can see we have a number 3. You can manage the water hardness by clicking on the P button. Number 1 it's a softness water, number 5 is the hardness water. And to apply the settings, just hold the P button for 3 seconds. Oh, okay, we have to just turn off your device, and now the water hardness is activated for level 5 in my case. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.